Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to unbox and review the new Sony Ult Field 1 speaker. Let's get into it. The packaging is sleek and modern with a clean design that hints at premium quality. Opening the box, you'll immediately notice the speaker itself nestled securely within the protective foam. Inside, you also get a USB-C charging cable and a quick start guide, everything you need to get up and running quickly. The Ult Field 1 features a redefined minimalist design with a rugged finish ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. The Sony Ult Field 1 speaker delivers an immersive, well-balanced sound with crisp highs, detailed mids, and a solid punchy bass that fills the room. Whether you are hosting a backyard party or enjoying your favorite tracks on the go, its advanced connectivity and impressive battery life ensures a seamless portable experience. The built-in controls are intuitive, and the rugged design combined with the water and dust-resistant features makes it perfect for any adventure. While it's competitively priced for a premium speaker, one small drawback is that the limited customization options might not suit every audiophile's taste. But overall, it's a stellar performer for its class. And as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your opinion in the comments below. See you in the next video.